Introducing the low floor plant and Go Landscaper vehicle by AKFS. Built upon the versatile Peugeot Boxer 3500 kilogram base vehicle, it delivers unbeatable craftsmanship and durability. It's the ultimate solution for all your landscaping needs. The lightweight, spring-assisted tailgate with slip-resistant GRP mesh ensures operator safety as standard. Its shallow loading angle allows ride-on lawnmowers to easily access the vehicle, both on and off. Standard drop side boards facilitate the safe and efficient loading and unloading of small machinery and tools, enhancing your workflow. For added versatility, optional removable caged sides are available, and an optional raised tool storage locker maximizes loading area space while providing secure, concealed storage for valuable tools. Choose the low floor plant and Go Landscaper vehicle by AKFS for a reliable, efficient, and versatile solution to elevate your landscaping operations.